itself is not that much. There's ample parking space, quite a bit. Man, look at this bluff. It's way better than most. High bank over here, but low over there. Just gently sloped. Continues to, I mean, even in rough bluff, it looks a lot like this. Tell the flood erosion definitely does something. Man, it just mainly pisses me off when people post all this urban Publix crap, say this is what Florida is about. No. You have a place like this, South Alabama, Panhandle, Suwannee. Alright, I gotta go kayak. That'll be an interesting launch, I suppose. But it's doable. Man, this is... My phone is on its last legs. I'll probably make a little video at the confluence. There's lowermost Santa Fe, Suwannee. At first I cannot tell, but I know just based on aerial maps, because the dock, that guy's property dock or the boat ramp is along the Suwannee over there. That's the Suwannee, that's the lowermost Santa Fe. Otherwise they look pretty dang equal. You have to go down both to really tell. Middle Suwannee, I mean the closer I get, you still kind of can't tell. Oh yeah, there's some decently big trees. A lot of them got their tops blown off. Yeah, that looks a little bit more wild. The closer I get, yeah, it looks unmistakably like lower Santa Fe, I guess. That does not look pretty.